Here I have Motorola One, and let me show you how to change a wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to scroll down and pick display. And now open the advanced options. From the pop-up list, select wallpaper. And now simply select the source that you would like to pick your wallpaper from. So it can be one of live wallpapers, one from your photos, or some Motorola's wallpapers. So let me pick the third option. And here it's time to select the picture that you like most. As you can see, there's plenty of wallpapers, so let me pick, for example, this one. And now, if you truly want this picture to cover your home screen, just tap on Set Wallpaper. Finally, you have to decide if you would like to have it just on your home screen, on your lock screen, or on both of them. So let me pick both. Wait a second, and as you can notice, your brand new wallpaper is covering your home screen and also the lock screen. So that's it. Enjoy your new wallpaper. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.